Hey guys, my name's Crinks. I'm going to show you guys how to set up custom music for OoT Online Randomizer or just OoT Randomizer in general. So first, you're going to need to go to the first link in the description is ootrandomizer.com/downloads, and you're going to have to grab the Randomizer 6.0 offline build. So for me, Windows will be this link right here. Then you're going to want to go to the second link and download and install Python 3.6 to 3.9. So here's Python 3.9 that I'll be linking. And down here, you can go ahead and grab the Windows executable installer or whatever installer works for you. And finally, you're going to want to go to this GitHub, which will be the third link, custom Ocarina of Time music sequences. By Darunia's Joy, and you're going to want to download this zip file right here. So once you have those things downloaded and installed, you're going to have Ocarina of Time Randomizer shortcut on your desktop, or you can find the location of this wherever you installed it. So I'm going to go ahead and open file location, and what you're going to see is it's going to be in your app data folder. And you're going to want to go into resources, app, Python, and then data. And then in here, you'll see a directory called music. And the only thing in here should be a README. So this is where you're going to want to put .meta and .sequence files. Here's an example. So for .meta files, what you're going to see is just the name, and you're going to see the sound font that the game is going to want to use. You can see the sound fonts on the GitHub page, README, I believe. Or sorry, it's in the music README over here. So in this README, you'll see that with that sound font, it will be using the Hyrule Field sound font. The instrument list. Yeah, so these are the instrument lists that it uses right here. So often the best choice, main orchestra with percussion. 0x3 has a rich sound font. Some of them will have other themes, but when you go into that other download from here, the custom Ocarina of Time music sequences, what you'll see is this right here. You'll have custom sequences master, and you'll just have data, music, and this directory with a bunch of preset sequence and meta files, and you don't have to change anything here. Some of them will also be fanfares. Those will be marked with a third line in the .meta file that indicates that it's a fanfare that will play for opening a chest, playing like game over screens and small sound effects, pretty much. So all you need to do is take all of the music in here, copy it, and put it into your OOT Randomizer resources app Python data music directory. I've already done that here, and I've filtered out some of the ones that I don't want. And so you just have them in here in these subdirectories, and there they all are, .meta, .sequence for files. Then all you need to do is run your OOT Randomizer here, and you got to go over, set up your rules as you normally would, load a preset or whatever you'd like to do, and then go into SFX, and you can just hit randomize all sound effects, or you can go in and change background music to random custom only, fanfares custom only. I just do full random. It uses both the music that you have loaded and OOT music as well. And that's it. You're going to want to go ahead and Set everything up like that and generate. You're going to want to create a compressed ROM output, a Z64 output. The patch file is not going to be the same patch file that's compatible with Modloader. There might be a way to convert the patch file, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, from there, you're going to want to go ahead and just load up Modloader 64 if you're planning to set this up to work online. So here's Modloader, and you're going to want to go to config and make a BPS patch. You're going to get this small pop-up that's Lunar, I believe, BPS patcher, and you want to hit create patch. The first thing it's going to ask, it's going to be in the title up here on the top, original unmodified file. So you're going to want to go to your legally obtained Z64 file for Ocarina of Time 1.0, and then select the modified file to use. You're going to want to go and find that compiled Z64 file that you just generated and open that, and then it's going to output a BPS file. So I'm going to go to Modloader here, go into mods, and you can go ahead and rename this to whatever you'd like, test01 or something, .bps, and go ahead and save that. That'll just take a second. It'll say the patch was successful. You can exit that, go to your mods and hit refresh mods, and go ahead and look for the patch that you just made, OoT test 01. Set your 1.0 ROM here, and you can just test it out, offline mode here. And there you go, custom music. And that should work for online. People should be able to join and have the same custom music. Great, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.